Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Typescript. So today we are going to learn about the creating the method decorators in the Typescript. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. The method decorator is attached before a method like a property is declared before the property. Same, the method decorator is attached before a method is declared and has three arguments to help observe or replace or modify the method declaration. These arguments are target, property and the descriptor. Usually the points to the prototype of a class or its constructor function. So this is target. Property, the points of the name of the method, and descriptor act as a property descriptor of the method. So let's take an example. Here we have a method decorator called log method. This is method decorator. It takes three parameters: target, property key and the descriptor. Okay, these three parameters we have added. After the adding, inside the decorator function we have just logged this. Okay, we have a log message indicating that the decorator was applied to a method. Next one, we have the class. The log method decorator is applied to the say hello. Okay, so have a log method decorator is applied to the say hello method of the example class. Okay, when we create the instance of the class, the decorator logic is executed. So when we create the instance of the example, so decorator logic will be executed for the say hello methods. Let's see. So let me comment this part and add our code over here. Okay, instance dot say hello, then it will call whatever the hello world it is written over here. Okay, so where is our terminal? Something right we have written? No. Save this and just try to run. So first one, you can see when we have a decorated log method, right? So what will happen, whatever the logic written over here in this one log method, the method decorator applied to the method say hello. So the property key is, so the property key here you can see that this is say hello, and the target is constructor name is in the example class, right? So once it goes, and here when we create the instance of the class, so this method instance dot say hello will call and it will print the hello world. Okay, so when we create the instance it will call. So what we have done is, you can see the last point, we call the decorated method, demonstrate that the decorator does not change the method's behavior, it only adds the logic or gathers the metadata when the method is declared. Okay, so here you call the decorated method, so here we are just calling the decorated method. What we have, this is the method, this is the decorated method, right? Say hello. Okay, so we will call like this instance dot say hello. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.